Keurig K-Elite Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker is designed for making repeatable servings without preparing a full carafe. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, 1 water filter handle, and 1 filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. This matters most when evaluating the listed cup sizes, strength controls, and reservoir capacity. It also states, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes. Use that detail to judge clearance for the mugs used every day, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, plan for descaling, reservoir cleaning, filters, and the ongoing cost of compatible coffee. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that single-serve convenience brings pod or filter costs, and the reservoir may be modest for several drinkers. Households serving many cups together may prefer a larger reservoir or carafe brewer. Overall, Keurig K-Elite Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker best fits shoppers focused on making repeatable servings without preparing a full carafe whose setup matches the supported facts.